Now that we have our Unity ID, we can actually begin to download the Unity Hub. The Unity Hub is an application that manages all the different versions of Unity for us and will keep track of all of the projects we build with Unity. To actually download a Unity version, we have to do so by downloading the Unity Hub. To get started, you're going to see plans and pricing at the top here. Select that. It's going to take us down here. We are going to select student and hobbyist. Even though we are selecting student and hobbyist, everything is completely free. All features to the engine are completely available to us. In fact, until you make over $100,000 in any given year, it's completely free. Select Getting Started for the Personal Edition. You're going to select Download for Windows. If you're on a Mac, it will say Download for Mac. And I assume you know how to download software, so you'll select the exe and install that. And I'll see you in the next video when the Unity Hub is created.